Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'm about to do final tests on Mr. Gallant's QuadraFire brand Pellet Stove Controller. This is a TASSB-93V.13A model Pellet Stove Controller, serial number 32759. Mr. Gallant sent me this one along with a second one that he has so I could check them out, make some repairs if needed, and return them to him fully tested. On this unit I replaced one component, adjusted the temperature settings, and double checked on everything, and it's functioning quite nicely. As you can see, I have this controller currently connected to my tester. My tester is made up of a few items. First I have a thermostat, just like you do at your home. I have a call for heat lamp, like the one that's at the back of a stove. Of course we see the controller here. I have a temperature simulator, which simulates the temperature in the firebox. I have an actual auger motor mounted behind this faceplate. That auger motor has a shaft that comes out the front, and on that shaft I have an X marks the spot decal. So we'll see that decal spin when the controller is calling for the auger to drive. Behind everything here I have 4 light bulbs. The first one on the left is the igniter light bulb. That simulates the igniter. The next one over with the blue decal on it simulates the combustion fan, the firebox fan. Then with the yellow decal we have the lamp that simulates the auger motor. And finally at the far right we have the one with the red decal on it that simulates the convection or room fan. For this model of controller we will not see that light come on during testing. That light is actually controlled by a thermal switch inside the stove, and I do not have that on this test system. So let me go ahead and turn power on, and when we do we'll see some lights in the back come on. Of course we see one light come on, that's the combustion fan. It'll be on for approximately 15 minutes if I were to do nothing here. There's a number of timers in here, 5 of them actually, and I've tested all of those. All of those timers work correctly, so some of the functions that are timer dependent are all working correctly on the controller. So if I do a call for heat, we'll see that the green indicator over here will come on, the green call for heat lamp. We'll see the igniter come on, and we'll see the auger motor drive. So let's see that in action. There we have it. We have the little green light over here come on, that's our call for heat. We have the auger motor that's driving. If I left things alone right now, it would drive for approximately 3 minutes. And we have the igniter that has come on. If I left things alone, it would stay on for approximately 10 minutes. I'm currently going to turn on my temperature simulator, and I am currently simulating a temperature of approximately 65 degrees. So everything is running. We have the igniter on, we have the auger being driven, and we have the combustion fan that's on. If I increase the temperature, as you may have noted, I've written on the controller here the temperatures at which the green and red LED come on here. I've noted that the green LED will come on at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and the red LED will come on at approximately 400 or so Fahrenheit. So let's ramp up our temperature and see that in action. As I ramp up the temperature, I'm going to increase it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll see the green light come on. There it is. The green light is now on. We don't see any change at the back, but the green light here is now on. We're at 313 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's functioning correctly. If I continue to increase the temperature up to about 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll see some action at the lights behind us, and we'll see the red light in the controller come on. So we're at 1300, and as I creep up on it, there we go. At 1425 degrees, we have the red light come on, and at the same time, the igniter at the back has shut off. Notice if I toggle back and forth, the red light goes off, the igniter comes on. So that is all functioning correctly. So that's pretty well all the testing I can do here. As I noted, I've tested all the timers inside the box. Everything is working correctly. The drivers for the lamps and the motors are functioning correctly as well. So I'm quite satisfied that this controller is now fully functional once again. Let me turn the temperature down. Turn it off and turn off the power. So Mr. Gallant, I want to thank you very much for sending me your 2 controllers for repairs. I appreciate that very much. For all you other viewers out there, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a QuadraFire, a Breckwell, or a USSC brand, or others, and you have questions or have a service need for it, please feel free to contact me. You'll find my contact information in the video description just below this video. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.